the things that you need, of course, is the army band. So I have this. I have the violet, silver, blue, and pink. So I have this one because I also do some paintings, which is the color violet. I'm gonna use some brushes, so you'll be needing this as well, and the wax. So this is the pencil wax tape. So yes, this is my photo cards from the map of the soul army band. Yeah, again, this is the materials that I'll be needing. So let's go, let's do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, okay, so I'm done with my light bomb. So yes, again, this one is the map of the soul special edition army band. Then again, this is the army logo, and then the BTS logo, and also I put some from the black part in this army band, and then this is silver. I covered the red one. So this is how I customize my army band, and as you can see in the video, it's super tiring. And again, if you want to have your own army band, I'm gonna leave the link down the description box, so just go check it out when I unbox my army band as well. And yes, I have this, so I'll just put this one here. Okay. Yes, that's it for today's video. And if you have any video suggestions for me, just do let me know. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you want. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell button below so you'll get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye! This is for the thumbnail. Gotcha.